I am back for another video, and today I'm doing my requested desk setup tour. Q-chan is currently trying to get in. Are you coming? You coming? Yeah, okay. Q-chan has entered. Today Capsule Bunny is helping me film, and she's going to help me set up a really cool item that I received from GSJJ Neon Sign. So I will be unboxing that a little bit later in the video, so I'm excited. It's been a bit of a work in progress since I moved in July. So as some of you may know, I live in Japan, and storage is a really important aspect of stuff because I like to have a lot of things, but I also don't want my setup or my room or anything to look super cluttered. So I really focused a lot on the best ways to like display things and also hide certain things so that it doesn't look super crowded and it still looks nice even if I have a lot of stuff. As you guys know, also I am quite a big fan of K-pop, so it's kind of a very K-pop inspired desk setup with a lot of my favorite members and favorite group items and memorabilia, which were a lot of fun to collect. Some people I know like want these kind of setups, and it's the same with like J Fashion and other stuff too, is that people want to just jump into it and quickly like buy a bunch of stuff and get a bunch of stuff, and I think that it can lead to a little bit of like overconsumption and maybe like not really thinking so much about like how it will look in the end. So I want to say, like, same with any fashion, you don't have to jump into everything. This was a work in progress. If your setup doesn't look like this, that's okay. It will come with time. Mine is still not done. But a lot of things here were also gifts and from some of my friends and some of my family. So I have a lot of like really good memories on this desk as well. Some of my viewers, and I'm just like so grateful for everything, and I'm just so proud and happy of my setup. And I will be doing a bit of a night tour in a second, so also please stay tuned for the night portion of this video where I will turn on all of the lights and everything and make it super cool and aesthetic. I've had a lot of requests for making more content involving my desk and involving my room, and I'm really happy that you guys are inspired by it, so I will be hopefully showing a lot more of it. Yeah, with that, let me show you my belongings. Let me talk about some of my favorite things. So this is a Divoom that is from one of my lovely followers. Thank you so much. I love it. This is a card case. You might have seen it if you watch my Instagram. It is filled with handmade photo cards. I like to put these when it's like a rainy day or just for like cute photos. And I decoed this box. It turned out super cute. This is a photo card of Wonyoung that is holographic. I don't know, like when it switches. And this is a little Sunkoon clip, and I have Miffy. These are some Sunkoon goods. You guys might have seen this in my video that I recently posted. Sunkoon is a model for hints, so just some things. Here's Momo. I made this photo card holder myself, put Sunkoon in it. And there's me and Capsule Bunny. Kuromi, yeah. And my melody there. I put the photo card holders I'm not using in here. I have more, but a lot of them are also over there. So, yeah, I have a lot. And this is Enhypen from their memorabilia album. I really like that they're all in suits. That's all I'm going to say about that. And K from Anteam is over here. He's just like watching them. I don't really know. But yeah. It's for the Sunkoon photo cards that I made with Capsule Bunny that one time. He's holding a gun. And there's Nikki. These are actually Jenny photo cards from Hera. I keep my Sunkoon only in this binder. This is my trade binder. This is boy groups, and this one is girl groups. So inside... Oh wait, sorry, no, this one's boy groups. I'm a liar. This one's girl groups. This is from Pancha Pancha in Shin Okubo. I really like this little book. It's super cute. Very gal. Got Wonyoung. And the Sunghoon one's obviously the fattest. I've seen this many times. This is from Fancy Pods. And that's where I store them. I like Momo is my favorite Twice member, so I have quite a few Momo goods. And this actually lights up. When I show you guys everything at night, you can see everything all lit up. These are Sunghoon and Nikki, and some ENHYPEN stickers I got in Thailand. And back here is just a kind of JJK characters. I don't really know what to put in there, so it's just kind of there right now peeking through. This is a Sunghoon bookmark. I have a Yeonjun one sticking out here as well. The New Jeans bag that I made with Capsule Bunny. Please give that video a watch if you have not. Over here, this is really funny. It's actually like can take pictures with idols. And so it's me with Sunghoon. So yeah, that's wild. But they turned out pretty cute, so it's whatever. The very rare black My Melody. I found this in a gacha gacha. This is from Jelly Jelly in Shin Okubo. It's so cute. Some ENHYPEN goods. And ENHYPEN Engine membership package, which maybe you guys saw in a reel, is here. My name board. This was ENHYPEN with Peach John collab. And there's just all kinds of like random little stuff like behind the computer. There's me and Capsule Bunny and another Sunghoon. I like to put ribbons on the hooks just to give it a little bit more cute appeal. It's just kind of boring without it. I also like to put like hair clips on here just to make it a little bit cuter. This is a Hyunjin photo card and I made the deco myself. An Eye of Light stick. I haven't been able to use it yet, but hopefully soon. Inside here is photo card inserts to make them really cute. I plan on making a reel about them later. These are packing supplies for trades. Inside here are larger stickers, paper, and like thank you notes for trades or when I sell things on Mercari. I can link my Mercari down below, so if you guys are ever interested in buying stuff, you will need a shopping service because it's only for Japan, but yeah. Washi tape and little strips for photo cards, but yeah. And in here is very, very important. It's like the glue tape and some tweezers and a box cutter, that sort of stuff. This is a light. Capsule Bunny and I actually made these together. These are my big stickers, so I use them for freebies or for packing. And they're so cute. Some random K-pop ones. That is this little area. I have a little My Melody for just some pens and little tripods. This is godsend. I always use this for making a lot of my content. I clip the phone here, and then this is a ring light, and I usually clip it to like the side of the desk like this, and I film my video like here. So you guys may be familiar with that a little bit. This is phone stand, and I got this camera recently from one of my followers. Thank you so much. I love it. And I printed Gordon Ramsay, and I printed one of my favorite just like silly concert memories of ENHYPEN when Sunny was crying and Heesung holds him, and Sunghoon looks like the guy in the love triangle that lost. I just think this picture is so funny, so I printed it. The cool thing about this Intax is that you can print pictures from your phone and you can also take new ones. In here, there's just random, like, miscellaneous Sunghoon stuff. So inside, just some miscellaneous Sunghoon stuff that didn't really fit the image of my desk very well, so they're just there. And then over here is also a really cool thing that a follower sent me. I will be showing you guys what it does later, but basically it makes lights all around the room. It's so cool. So I will show you that. Down below, I actually have some kind of random bins. A lot of this one is like random papers and also like my Korean language, like kind of stuff for studying. And then in here is sunglasses, umbrella, and like things that I use kind of on the daily. So I also like to put my wallet and my AirPods and things like that at the very, very end of the day. And then I will pick them out again when I change bags so I can remember that I have everything. So there's also like breath mints and Cairo and just stuff that you kind of need on a daily basis is all in there. And then that way it makes transferring purses incredibly easy. My cable management is this. It's really bad, but it's at the bottom and it's like, it's fine. It's just how it be. And then this is like my random box. So there's cat hair everywhere because Q-chan exists. So I have a Hints bag because Sunghoon models for Hints, a piece of cloth. It also has some sewing projects I haven't finished yet, like these like warmers for Capsule Bunny that I'm working on. So I'll do that later. And just like random miscellaneous items, like Gucci ribbon. It's mainly stuff I have to like give other people that I keep forgetting about. So yeah, I will give them the things later. But in the meantime, that's just how that looks. It's kind of ugly, but whatever. To America soon to go see my family, so this is actually presents and for them. This is all tote bags and like little drawstring bags. Okay, so I actually do not have a tower. I just have this like little box. I will eventually get a tower hard drive, but it wasn't feasible at the time. But I do want to get like a proper tower eventually, so that is on my to-do list. I don't know how to build anything like that though, so okay, I know a lot of you are wondering about like my stationery and that sort of stuff, so let me show you. Two are both crafting supplies. Inside this one is my hot glue gun. These are button makers. I got tweezers. This is some random parts. In here is some mainly parts, like deco parts and stuff, and the stickers are all here.
Did I leave my bag in here?
Oh yeah, you did. What's up?
Left my bag in there.
Okay. You can go grab it. Inside here is all like lace. Yeah, inside here's my panties. No, just kidding. Inside here is all like lace and ribbons.
Yes, I have my eye patch.
You got your eye patch?
Yeah.
Sick. Anyway, sorry, crafting supplies, lace, ribbons, and buttons are all in this box. Yay! Back here is the big paper that I just can't put anywhere else, so it's here. Okay, next are these two white boxes. They're quite different. So this one is basically leftover like K-pop stuff. So I've got an extra slogan in here. All of my card sleeves are in here. And then I have some folders, and this is a sticker book for Enhypen. And inside here is kind of miscellaneous like stickers and like flat items. So got Kyujin from NMix. The one thing, okay, so I got this from the D Festa gallery, which was like a bunch of different idol art gallery kind of situation. Well, picture gallery, yeah. And so anyway, they nerfed his fucking moles. Like, where are his fucking moles? They're fucking gone. And I was so pissed off. I was like, why? What did they? Dispatch had one fucking job and they fucking nerfed my boy's moles. Look, even his fucking goods have his moles. Anyway, cute folder though. We have this one. This is also mainly crafting supplies. So it's got my more paper and also some like bags from. I will buy makeup, and when I get makeup, I will get a bag. So yeah. This is my mic. Capsule Bunny actually gave it to me because she changed mics, so thank you. This is the little diffuser that I got in Taiwan. These are all of my random remotes. One is for like the lights, and I've got the air conditioner, and this is for the projector. This is for some of the backlights. So I actually made it like this by having a cup, little mug inside. And then, yeah, it just like looks like a little standing pouch, and it's super cute. I have some notebooks here. This one I still haven't opened, but it's really cute. And some I Bloom squishies that I will be opening soon. My little hair fragrance and a lip gloss. And here we have some plushies. A printer that for making like stickers and stuff. I still need to open and play with it, but I haven't done that yet. And then inside here is other random miscellaneous like measuring tape and fucking, yeah, nothing special. I have some of my things from Disney. This is actually a photo book of me. Photo book of me from when I modeled for Melfi Memory a long time ago now. Really iconic and a really, really good memory. So have my iDang Club bag is here, and that's it. So without further ado, we'll get to unboxing the cool neon sign so I can show you guys how great this night view is going to look. I got this really awesome neon sign from GSJJ Neon Sciences. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open it. So this is my design. I made it myself of my username because Capsule Bunny made one of her username. Go watch her desk setup also.
Are you trying to be me, bitch?
So anyway, we decided to kind of make like matching ones,
Twinsies.
but our own aesthetic kind of vibe. So I'm going to open it. Oh my god. Holy shit.
When I opened mine, I did not do a good job. So.
Oh my god, it's like wood.
That's what she said.
Yeah, okay, let's take this shit.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Fun fact, I'm not good at this. This is why.
This is just like the one that I filmed.
Okay.
When I almost stabbed myself.
I love that. Like, okay, because like usually, like when I do these like unboxings, it's small little thingies on my desk. You guys, are we ready?
Whoa! That's cute.
So it says...
It says Yumichi going!
Yeah, it says Yumichi and it has bows on it. And
That's so cute.
it's so fucking cool. It's actually like the perfect size. I'm really impressed. And so the light, this is supposed to be pink with white script. And yeah, it says Yumichi. It's my name with a giant fucking ribbon on it. Isn't that cool?
That's really cool.
That's really cool.
It's gonna look great.
Right, I'm so excited. How do I hang it up? Let's figure that out.
I hung up mine with string.
You did, yeah. Let's not do that.
Yeah, let's not do that. It's still up though, so.
So you're doing something right.
Yeah.
This is hard.
It's sturdy though. Mine didn't break when I dropped it on the floor.
Sick. Oh my god. Where the fuck do we put this thing? Like here.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Because if I get too high, it won't like look quite as...
No.
No, I think like right here, and then we'll move new
That's
jeans.
good.
Sorry, new jeans.
It's actually right there. That's great. Sorry, Songhoon.
Sorry, Songhoon.
It looks great, actually.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that looks sick.
Are you guys ready?
Let there be light, baby.
Let there be
Whoa. Whoa. That looks very good. The pop of pink, you kind of went off with that. That is so good.
Oh my god, it looks sick.
It looks great. They did a great job.
Oh my god. I'm screaming.
It looks so good.
Oh my god. GSJJ, you guys fucking nailed it. Is that not the sickest thing ever?
That is really cool. It looks perfect.
Oh my god, I'm fucking screaming. It
looks
matches
great.
like the fucking vibes so well.
It looks great.
Oh my
Honestly,
God.
they kind of went off.
They did. They fucking went off. And it's like, it feels really sturdy. It's not super heavy. Right, let me show you guys what it looks like in the dark. Okay, it eats.
It does eat though.
It eats like so hard, and my room just like elevated. Honestly, I don't even need like the overhead lighting anymore because this actually has a dimmer, so you can make it dimmer or brighter, which is so cool. So it's actually at a kind of dimmer setting right now. Thank you so much, GSJJ, for sending it to me. They copied my design like perfectly. Like this is pretty much exactly what I sent them. The colors look so good with the rest of my setup, and it just looks incredible. I love my setup even more now. And yeah, I thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you look forward to maybe future desk content. I think it just came out so cool. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you again. Subscribe. Bye bye.